Hello everyone, this is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Uh, Back after a long time, but today I'm making cuticle oil, uh, and I would like to say thank you for all those who have subscribed, and for all those who are watching and haven't subscribed. Please do subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the bell icon for notification on when I post my next video. And for all those who think that this video will be useful for anyone else, you can share this. And this is a very simple recipe. So let's get into the making. Okay, so I'm going to be making the cuticle oil in this little mason jar, and I'll be putting it into uh, these little nail polish bottles. I got these from Amazon. They're really cute. They do have a little ball bearings that you can put, and they have a little funnel, but I'm not going to be using the ball bearings or the funnel because it's just oils. So for this recipe, uh, it's a very simple recipe, and I'm using oils that help with the cuticles. Okay, so we start with jojoba oil, and that's I'm making a 100 gram batch. So jojoba oil is 20%, so I'm going to be adding 20 grams. I have sweet almond oil, that is also at 20%, so that's also 20 grams. Then I have avocado oil. uh, this is at 40%, so this is 40 grams. Just about. Then we have argan oil, which is at 18%, so it's 18 grams. Now this is cuticle oil, but you can also use it for your body. Um, all these oils are uh, ones that are good for your skin. You can replace any of your oils for coconut oil. I'm not using coconut oil because I don't have the one that uh, is 92. Mine goes hard, so I'm not using. Then this is vitamin E oil, and that's at 2%, so 2 grams. Now to this, if you want, you can obviously uh, add an essential oil. You can add any of these oils which are infused with any of the herbs or anything like that. I am not doing any of it. It's a very simple recipe for me right now. I'm just doing this without any essential oils or anything like that, but you can use if you like to. And obviously you can use this as a body oil. You can, use it on your hair. It's good for everything. Now I gave it a good mix. That's what it looks like. I'll just take a pipette and I will fill my. I mean, you can use the funnel that they have provided with this, but I feel this is okay. And that's it. I have one more bottle which I can fill. You can use hemp seed oil uh, in place of any of the other oils, or you can reduce the percentage of any of the oils and add hemp seed oil to it. Hemp seed oil is also good for your cuticles and your skin. And that's about it. So all you need to do is apply it to your cuticle like so, and then just massage it in. And that's about it. I mean, this really helps with softening the cuticles, growth of your nails, strengthening of nails. So you can use this. So that's one way. If you don't want to use it as a nail polish and you just want to keep it, so just and rub it in. Just give it a massage. So that was about it. So you can apply it 2-3 times in a day whenever you feel like. It's really nice, and try it and let me know. And as I said, you can replace any of the oils you like. Suppose if you don't have sweet almond oil, you can replace it with a coconut oil, or things of that sort. That's about it. So I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye.